Hello, Cothern Cards community. Today we're taking a trip back to Core 2021. Definitely appreciate you stopping by today. Hope you're having a great day. The rear's in the front, so we're going to move that to the back. If you haven't had a chance yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. We're starting with a Seasoned Hollow Blade today, Teferi's Tutelage, Chandra's Magmut, Mistral Singer, Dub, Sabertooth Mauler, Rise Again, Snare Spinner, Concordia Pegasus, Crash Through, Frantic Inventory, Makeshift Battalion, Night Token, Blossoming Sands. Our rare is See the Truth, that stinks, and an Archfiend's Vessel.